issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Guys, I'm probably gonna get a double header. Hold on. Okay, no. Never mind. Screw that.
Severe West Cameron 342, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include West Cameron WC303, West Cameron 62, West Cameron 149, West Cameron 248, West Cameron 205, West Cameron 178, West Cameron 198, High Island A177, West Cameron 110, West Cameron 196, West Cameron 130, West Cameron 173, West Cameron 294, West Cameron 192, West Cameron 170, West Cameron 171, West Cameron 73, West Cameron 215, West Cameron 167, and West Cameron 168. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms.